Did you know that Lao and Thai people have been eating meat salad for centuries? They might be the OG of keto salad. Fast, easy, affordable, packed with flavors. This is gonna be the centerpiece of your busy week. Promise. Are you ready? Make some noise! Hi busy and hungry people, I am Evelyn and welcome back to Happyvore channel. I know minced meat doesn't get as much love as fancy cuts of meat, but in Lao and Thai-Isaan culture, this dish is very significant. It's their identity. They used to only do this on special occasion, but now we can do it almost every day if you want to, because I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make it at home. I know you're busy, so am I, because I have a full-time job as a chef as well. I really hope that you'll like and subscribe this channel. I really want to show you how you can make quick healthy meals for yourself and your family, just like how I want to make it for my family as well. Let's go on to the ingredients, what we need for this fast easy salad. Scallion, we just chop it up. Cilantro, mint, shallots, lime, chili, toasted rice, fish sauce, your protein, which can be turkey, can be pork, mushroom, tofu, and a lettuce wrap if you want to really make it a keto. I had many laabs in my time in Thailand. The most memorable, my friend Intu, she's a chef as well, currently based in San Francisco. We went to her hometown, Isan, and she asked her dad to take care of us. When we arrived, that is why when I say it's a special occasion, it's because when I arrived at the back of his kitchen in the courtyard, there was a duck hanging upside down, a live duck. And they were doing a live duck cooking just for us. It's something like a I welcome you kind of thing. So it was pretty cool. Of course, when they were slaughtering, I just duck out. Yeah. But we're not doing that today. Start off with toasted rice. It can be sticky rice, long grain rice. This toasted rice, for me, I feel is one of the most important ingredients because it adds smokiness, crunch element to the salad. It just makes it special. So as you can see, it's like golden brown and delicious and toasty, but not black. So we grind it. You can use it with your coffee grinder, pestle and mortar. This is what you're aiming for. So you want to have the coarse bits so that when you eat the salad, you can bite into the rice and it will give some textural differences. Make sense? Makes sense. Some recipes online uses oil. Traditionally, Thai food, they don't use oil. I cooked it with water because of health reason. I think we don't need so much oil in our daily diets anyway because the minced meat itself has a good amount of fat. So you see it's bubbling and then we'll just add the protein of your choice into it. Smash it, break it apart. So make sure every single part is cooked through, broken into small bits. And that's all we need to do. Let's assemble the dressing. Fish sauce and lime juice. Chili, 1 teaspoon. Toasted rice, 1.5. Mix it. Look at it, so pretty. So we're just gonna put everything together. The scallions, the mint, cilantro. I went crazy over the herbs because I like herbs. Toss. And then seasoning. Go ahead. Ooh. Balance. Put it onto the plate and have your lettuce. Technically, you can use tortillas if you want to eat it. If you're like me, who likes to eat lighter at night because we're gonna sleep, lettuce. And then you just wrap it and chill on Netflix. Spicy, zesty, umami, fresh, light, healthy. What more do I need to tell you to eat this, to try this? It's quick, it's easy. You don't need to pay restaurant prices. And you can wear your pajamas. If you made this, drop me a message, comment, how did it go? It's so easy, like easy. Please like and subscribe and join our community. As we grow together, it shouldn't take forever to cook, eat, and live like a happy bird. See you next time!